Attention voters of Hawaii. You are about to hear an exchange between RFK Jr., Secretary of Health and Human Services, and Congressman Glenn Grothman that took place on April 17, 2026, before the House Education and Workforce Committee.
Why were the mental health professional people pushing sex change operations on 14-year-old kids? What do you think?
Well, it was a multi-billion-dollar industry. And I think that, the corruption follows the money. But you look at the science, there's now been 2 major meta-reviews been done. The CAS study in the UK, which the revelations in the CAS study stopped Europeans from funding these. And then we did our own meta-review plus individual studies at NIH that showed the same thing, that the results to children, the outcomes in children are catastrophic in terms of depression, suicide, all kinds of illnesses. It's condemnation to a life of misery. And there is no scientific justification.
Right. Common sense. I give you a follow-up here. What can we do to protect children in the future from the medical associations, and particularly the mental health medical associations, from harming our kids? How can we prevent them from doing that?
Well, we have taken steps to do that. We have ended all federal funding for those for puberty blockers and gender mutilation surgeries, and we have instructed hospitals and medical centers around the country that if they do host those kind of interventions, that they will lose all their Medicaid and Medicare funding.
Hawaii residents, if you or someone you know relies on Medicaid or Medicare, you were just informed by RFK Jr. that their medical needs are about to be sacrificed if Governor Josh Green signs House Bill 1875. House Bill 1875 proposes to make Hawaii a sanctuary state for gender mutilation surgeries on children in defiance of federal policy, and even more destructive, the bill allows the mutilation of children without parental consent. That's right, Hawaii. The Democrat Party of Hawaii is willing to have all funding to Medicare and Medicaid from the federal government cut off and shut down so that children can be mutilated and harmed for life. Hawaii, stop voting for those pushing insanity and start voting for those pushing common sense.